Brand new airdrop, guys. Things are really cooking, and interestingly, on Telegram, a lot of legit airdrop coming up right now in this space, especially in the play to earn ecosystem. All of the airdrops shared on this very channel is 90% legit, and I have done my research thoroughly, okay? And one thing you have to do as well is to do your own research to further verify that it suits what you want to do before participating in any airdrop, and that is very important. In this video, let's discuss the FSP token airdrop. That is a free speech token airdrop, how you can participate and how you can earn following a few simple steps. And one important thing is that this very airdrop does not require tapping. You don't need to log into your Telegram mini app and be tapped. You just follow simple steps, which I'm going to show you in a moment on Telegram, and you are done. And once you follow these simple steps and get verified, then you are done. Just wait for the airdrop to land. And if you want to join the airdrop, I will leave a link in the description of this very video, and that will be the first link. Check it out and join right now. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. All you need to do to participate in this very airdrop is follow the link in the description of this video, and it will take you to Telegram. And once you get here and click on start, so once you start, you have to solve this very captcha. So I will solve this captcha right here. Okay, so once I solve the captcha and then it tell me correct, okay, everything is correct. So I have to read the details. Welcome to participate in our FSP token airdrop. Please perform the tasks below to earn 700 FSP token. Free speech. Okay, so FSP stands for free speech. The free speech token is a cryptocurrency for free speech promotion and expression built on the Ton blockchain. And one interesting thing is everything is now moving to the Ton blockchain, especially when it comes to play to earn. And most airdrop right now is on the Ton blockchain. Right now, very little airdrop on Ethereum, BSC, and Solana. But majority of the airdrop we are seeing right now is on Ton. And this is one of them as well. So this is what free speech is all about. Very brief one. Airdrop will end on November 15, 2024, and TGE is on November 28, 2024 as well. It's a very short period. Free speech listing is also on November, which is a very short period that this airdrop is going to stay. They may change their mind to actually increase the date for the airdrop. No one knows, but we are going to also follow the page and also stay updated. In addition, the top 200 referrers is going to get 500 FSP token each. If you want to get these, you need to start referring right away. This is the airdrop tags that you need to perform right now. The first one is join our Telegram group, and then you follow our X page, retweet pin post, and tag 2 friends. And then the next one is refer your friends and get 100 FSP token each with your unique referral link. And then after you've done these tags, you submit your Ton wallet address, okay? And preferably from here, talk about Ton Keeper. So if you don't have Ton Keeper, you create one, and then after creation, you post the Ton Keeper as described, as I'm going to show you right now. So if you have any question, you can ask on the Telegram as well after joining, and then click submit details. So if I click submit details here, you see right here, say join our Telegram. Okay, I have to click here to join the Telegram group, and I click done. So you have to ensure you join and click done. And then they say follow Twitter page and then retweet. So I'll click on Twitter here and then open the link to tell me to log into Twitter, and then I will log into Twitter, and then I will follow the page as well. And then I'll come back here afterward and submit my Twitter username. This is very important. You have to pay attention. You submit Twitter username. So you paste your Twitter username, which is what is going to reflect. So let me say at Remit Trade. Okay. At Remit Trade. Then after I submit my Twitter username, then submit your Ton wallet address. So preferably, like I said, from Tonkeeper. So what I would do now is to copy my Ton wallet address and paste here. So I paste my Ton wallet address, then I click send. Okay, so after I send, see the message when you successfully perform the task, you have 0 referrals and you get 100 FSP each for each referral. You are saved details. Now, if you look at my Telegram here, it's saying none. So I have to join and verify it because they have to verify it to be sure that you are in the Telegram group. This is very important because if you want to cheat the system, this very bot is going to detect that you are not in the Telegram group, even with the Twitter username that you submit, okay? And you are not going to get the airdrop. And then the top 200 referrals will get 500 FSP token each, and then you have to increase your chance by referring your friend. And this is your unique referral link that you can use to refer your friends and start stacking this very token. This is very, very important right now in this very video. So if you want to participate in this very FSP token airdrop, the link in the description, follow it right now and just join the Telegram group, follow the Twitter page, retweet, tag 2 friends, and then start referring your friend with your unique link. And this is very important. If you like content like this, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.